On June 1st, GitHub Copilot quietly changed how it charges you, and some developers wake up to bills 50 times bigger than last month. The next few minutes, I will show you exactly what changed, whether you actually need to panic, and the tool I switched to instead. And stick around because there's one part of this amount nobody is talking about, and it might means your bill doesn't change at all. Okay, short version. For years, Copilot was a flat fee, 10-20 bucks a month. Use it as much as you want. On June 1st, that's gone. Now you pay based on tokens, basically how much the AI reads and writes for you. They call it GitHub AI Credits. Every plan gets a monthly allowances, and once you burn through it, you pay for more. And people burn through it fast. Developers on Reddit and X reported bills going from $29 to over 700. Some heavy users projected jumps on 10 to 50 times. TechCrunch literally called it the end of Copilot's golden gate. But there's the part everyone is skipping. Don't go cancel anything yet. Here's the truth. Code completion are still free. The normal autocomplete you use all day doesn't cost you a single credit. The billing only kicks in for the heavy stuff, chat, agent mode, and those long autonomous coding sessions. So really, there are two kinds of Copilot users right now. If you mostly use autocomplete, relax. Your bill barely move. You are fine. But if you run agent mode on big code base all day, that where the matters spin, and that's who's getting hit. And honestly, GitHub kind of had a point. These new models are genuinely expensive to run. They said one quick chat question and a 2 hour agent session were costing them the same, and that just wasn't sustainable. So the idea isn't evil, it's the execution, the surprise bills with no warnings that made everyone furious. So the real question, should you switch? Let me make it that simple. Step 1, open your users dashboard. GitHub shows you exactly how many tokens you burning. If you are now here near your cap, stay and don't fix what isn't broken. If you are hitting that cap in days, then yeah, it's time to look at what else is out there. And there are good options. Here are the three actually worth knowing. First, Cursor, 20 bucks a month, but around AI agents, and it's basically VS Code, so you are feel at home instantly. Second, Windsurf, 15 a month, that cheapest one here, and solid if you are want just pricing, that's predictable. And third, the one I actually moved to, Claude Code. It lives in your terminal. It's a beast at big project across load of files, and right now developers rate it the number one coding tool. Now, full honesty, Claude Code can get pricey too if you go wild with it. No tool is magic. My actual setup, Cursor for everyday editing and Claude Code when I need really heavy lifting, best of both. But here's the mindset shift that matters more than a tool. The flat fee, unlimited AI era is ending everywhere, not just Copilot. So the skill now isn't which tool you pick. It's using AI like a precision tool, not spraying it at everything. Tighter prompt, smaller context, fewer wasted tokens. That habit saves you more than switching ever will. Quick recap, one autocomplete is still free, so most people don't need to panic. Two, if you are a heavy agent user, check your dashboard. Then look at Cursor, Windsurf, or Cloud Code. 3. Learn to use AI efficiently because method billing is the future. If this saved you from a scary bills, do me a one favor, hit subscribe. I break this AI stuff down in every week. And tell me in the comments, are you staying with Copilot or jumping ship? I read everyone's. That's it. I will see you in next one. Thank you.